Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. Today in this video I'll show you how to speed up your wordpress Elementor website and make it faster absolutely for free without any technical knowledge. We will compare the before and after speed, performance and number of requests of the website, and why you need a fast website is why not. If you have a slow website, then search engines won't rank it in searches. Still, if someone get there, they will leave your website immediately without seeing your content, which will affect both the website ranking and your revenue. If you have a fast website, then there are high chances to get ranked on Google and other search engines and get more traffic and revenue. And you don't need any technical knowledge to do it. We will be using a simple free plugin which does the work with one click. And besides the speed optimization, we can use this free plugin to manage multiple WordPress websites in one single dashboard that we will cover later on. So without further ado, let's get started. The plugin I am talking about is Airlift, and to download this plugin you can just follow this link in the description, airlift.net/softexpert, and it will take you to this page. Here you can see ultra fast WordPress sites with the click of a button. You can learn more about this plugin here on this page, and by the way, they also have their official YouTube channel where they also discuss their other plugins. You might be interested in those, and you can also learn more about Airlift plugin on this page. And coming back to that website, here you can scroll down, you can learn more about this plugin. You can see this plugin improve your ranking on Google, enhance conversion with a fast website. So obviously a fast website will convert high, and then better experience for your customers. So obviously visitors like fast websites. Then scroll down. Here you can see complete WordPress optimization solution. So you can see Airlift will optimize every part of your website within minutes. And here are some features like integrated caching stack. You know caching is very important for a website. It keeps a replica of your website in the user browser. As you can see, Airlift creates a static version of your website which will be magically fast. Then asset optimization, so this will optimize every core of the website, and they have learned this from thousands of websites. Then complete image optimization suite. So you can see by using this plugin we can remove some other plugins like image optimizer and caching plugins. And then they have personalized support from experts as well. Then scroll down, you can see incredibly easy setup with no manual configuration. We will just install the plugin and then we'll set it up within a minute, and then we'll let the plugin to do the work. So let's see how we can install and set up this plugin and how we can add our website. For that, just scroll down and click on sign up now. And here you can create an account using your Gmail, or you can write your email, password and then confirm password and click on sign up. So let me fill up these details. So once you add these details, just click on sign up. And building dashboard, please wait. And here you can write your website URL and then click on continue, but before that we will have to verify our email address. So let me just verify it. You will get an email like this from them. Just click on it. Please verify your email. So just click on verify email address, and this will take you to Airlift dashboard. And here you can see I have added this website and I have tested this plugin. If you want to add your own website, just click on add site and then write your website URL here, okay? And for this video we will be using this Elementor website. This is just a dummy website for the video purpose. You can scroll down, you can see. And before applying the plugin, let's test the website speed. We will test the website speed on this website, okay? And just paste the URL and click test speed. And this will take a minute and will show you the results. And you can see this is the website result. The load time is 2.3 seconds. This is the page size. These are the number of requests. We will retest this website after applying that plugin. So just copy your website URL and then paste it here and click continue. And you will get an option to download this plugin. Just click on download and you will get a zip file like this. Now you can just upload this to your WordPress plugins. So to do that, just go to your dashboard, then go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file and select Airlift plugin, open and install now. And then go ahead and activate the plugin. And once you activate the plugin, this will take you directly to Airlift dashboard where you can see analyzing your site. Now this will analyze the website and will show us the performance, the page size, the load time, the JS count and CSS count and all these. And you can see initial performance metrics of your website. You can see the page size is this is the load time which is 2 seconds, JS count and CSS count. And you can see it also has started configuring the website, which will minify JS and also will add CDN and will move CSS to their CDN. This will optimize the images for the better viewport and also will compress the images, resize the images. It will also look for the Google fonts and will fix them. So let's wait a bit more for this and then I'll show you the results. One more thing is, if we check the images on this website, let's go to its dashboard and go to media and we'll look for the image sizes. Okay, and let's open this one. So you can see the plugin has compressed all the images. I'll show you its actual sizes. Okay, just note these. Now let me show you the actual size of these images. And here are the images I used on this website. You can see 1.72 MB, 1.6 MB and 2 MB. And these are the same images that you are seeing here. So this is how this plugin works, and this is how it compresses the images. Now let's go back to Airlift and check the website. So you can see the site performance report. The page size was 6.4 MB and it reduces it to 1.9 MB, almost 70% reduction. These were the request counts, which were 108, and now it's only 22, so 79% reduction here. Then scroll down. It's still working on optimizing images and optimizing pages. For the homepage optimization, you can see image resizing and WebP conversion, image lazy loading. So you can see 11 images are optimized and other are remaining. And this is the image's previous size and this is the current size. Then for the CSS optimization, you can see the results. This is for the JavaScript optimization, for the fonts optimization, and then for some other features you can see broadly compressions as enabled, CDN integration, iframe lazy loading, page caching, and lighthouse report. These things are enabled and these are quite good for speed and SEO. Then lastly we have the web vital improvements. You can see the performance and the score comparison here. So this is how this plugin works, and this is how it optimizes and speed up your websites. And let me show you one more feature of this plugin. If I go to dashboard, so in the dashboard you can see I have added 2 websites. I can add more, and this is the status. Both the websites are connected, and these are the clients, teams, and auto updates. You can schedule auto updates for the plugins and themes using this website absolutely for free. Okay, then these are the plugins we are using. We are using one theme, and this is the WordPress core update and all updates. If I want to update WordPress themes and plugins, I'll go to all, and then I can select all, and then click on update. This will update all the plugins and themes. Then scroll down. You can take a backup of your websites. You can add security to your websites, and these are available in their freemium version. Okay, and also staging websites, reporting, firewall, and uptime monitoring, and so on. So you can try this plugin. You can speed up your websites and you can manage multiple websites here. If I go to sites, here I can do settings for a specific website. Like if I open this one, I can manage its plugins and themes. And you can see for the new website, the optimization is still running. So this will speed up the website a little more. And lastly, let me give you a bonus tip. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard and close this. Now for getting more speed and security on your website, I would suggest you to deactivate and delete all unwanted plugins and themes. So first let's go to appearance, themes, and here just keep one theme that you are using and delete all other themes for better speed and security. So just click on it, delete it. You will also delete this one. And we'll do the same for the plugins. So let's go to plugins. Now here you can find the plugins that you are not using and you can just deactivate them. I'm not using this one, and so this one. So let me just deactivate them, and now we'll delete them. And this is how you can delete unwanted themes and plugins. And lastly, just go to dashboard and check for updates. And here keep the theme and plugins up to date, including the WordPress core version. You can see these plugins require updates, so I'll select all and will update them. And that's it, all updates have been completed. Now let's check out the website speed again, and let me show you the results. So this was the previous result. Now let's test it again. And this is the result after applying that plugin. You can see the load time, the page size, and number of requests. So this was how you can install and activate Airlift plugin on your website, and you can make your website faster. Again, you can manage multiple WordPress websites here on this same dashboard, where you can update the themes, plugins, and also WordPress. You can take backups and so on. And again, to download this plugin, just go to this link in the description, and I hope the video will be helpful for you. Still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.